What's going on, guys? My name is Zachary Thomas and I live in my car. So today, I don't know where we're going, but I want to go somewhere. So I'm researching where to go. I have a couple ideas. I thought about going all the way to Colorado. That's a 22-hour drive. Don't think I'm going to do that. Might go up to North Carolina, might go to Tennessee, might go to Georgia. I really don't want to go down to Florida because it's kind of hot. So wherever I go, I'm going to take you guys with me, and we're going to explore a little bit. Alright guys, I have been driving all day and I pulled into a rest stop in North Carolina. We're going to spend the night here and we're going to continue on our adventure in the morning. I'm making some dinner right now, some bacon cheddar dogs, and a bag of the chili cheese Fritos I got from the vending machine over there. We'll continue our adventure tomorrow, and it'll be a good time. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is 7:30 in the morning right now. We're about to head back on the road. I'm gonna go get some gas, and then we're gonna head to Virginia. We're riding on the state line, I found out, so that's good. We got about 3 hours left until we're in Virginia Beach. I woke up this morning and went to the bathroom, and as I was sitting here, there was a squirrel eating some hot Cheetos, and I hope he's okay because those things are pretty hot. I don't know where they are, but it's really interesting because the squirrels seem to be used to people, and I've never seen that before. I've always seen squirrels like really skittish, like you can't really walk up to them without them just running away to a tree or something, and the squirrels are fine. They're just sitting there, they're chilling, you know, and you can get fairly close to them before they run away. So that's interesting. Alright guys, we are in Virginia officially. We are at the rest stop right now. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little break, finish eating my donuts that I picked up, and then we're gonna hit back on the road. We got about 2.5 hours left. So we only drove for like a half hour before we were in Virginia, so we were right on the border. That wasn't long at all. I probably could have drove the rest of the way last night to Virginia. I could drive this 2.5 hours. We got about 150 miles left, which isn't much at all, and we will be in Virginia Beach. All right guys, we are in Virginia Beach finally after a very, very long journey. I'm gonna make some food real quick because I haven't really eaten. I ate some powdered donuts from the gas station. That's it today so far. So I'm gonna make some food, eat, and then we'll go explore the beach a little bit.